Alrighty, so this is the other type of proportion type problem, right? Rita book measures a force of attraction of 12 newtons between two charges when they're separated by 2.50 meters. What separation is the force of attraction 7 newtons? Well, it's going to be farther away, right? Because it's what was 12 newtons, now it's 7, right? Okay, so let's just set this up, right? Situation 1, K, Q1, Q2 over how far is it? It's 2.5. Squared, that equals 12, right? And then K, Q1, Q2 over, we'll call it R squared, right? We're trying to solve for the R is equal to 7, right? And now I can set this up. This becomes, what is it? It's R squared over 2.5 squared equals 12 over 7. Is that right? Yeah, I guess so, right? Because this R will end up being bigger, right? And that's what we want. So R is 2.5 times the square root of 12. I did two things at once there. Are you okay with that? What did I do? I multiplied by 2.5. I took the square root of both sides. I'm sorry about that. I've self-smarted myself. Okay, square root of 12 divided by 7. Watch me get the wrong answer. Wrangly. But I didn't. All right, so R is equal to 3.27 meters. Ta-da.